weather's a big problem for the
That is a much bigger problem.
Always.
Bring it over here. This is where the problem lies, and it's a problem right now. Obviously, we're getting some rain in the metro. Let's go ahead and show you what's going on. And we do have flood advisory, Sandoval County, Bernalillo County, over into San Miguel County, all the way down into Chaves County at this point. So there's been a lot going on here. It's taken a while for this stuff to get cranked up, but it has. And in the metro area, we're still seeing light to moderate rain out there right through the valley here, and that's going to continue for us over the next little bit. And it's possible we could see showers just kind of jumping in and out throughout the nighttime hours, and then tomorrow I think we're going to crank it up all over again because we have a pretty good setup here, and we'll explain that coming up in just 1 second. As far as the showers go across Sandoval County, western parts of the county affected there. We're also seeing some more storms over into McKinley County and Cibola County too. As you head over into east central New Mexico, this is where things are really rolling along the I-40 corridor to essentially the east of Moriarty all the way to Santa Rosa. Some strong storms out there. Vaughn in the middle of it right now with some heavy rain along 285, picking up some heavier rain as well. And as you head over into west central sections, we're seeing plenty of rain too here. Some moderate to light rain between Grants and Albuquerque at this point. So we still have plenty happening. It'll take a while for this stuff to die off tonight. I think it's going to stick around for quite a while. East winds 24 miles an hour, transporting moisture into the city, and 70 degrees out there, so nice and cool. Temperatures 50s and 60s for us to the north, down to the south 60s and 70s. Looking at the satellite and radar, central sections of the state under the gun right now for storms, and thanks to that cold front that pushed through earlier, we have plenty of moisture in place. So what happens for us tomorrow? Well, it's going to be kind of a 1-2 punch of sorts out there. We have the moisture thanks to the cold front that came through, and we're also going to get the lift with a little weather disturbance coming in here. So those two are going to be a pretty good factor for us in the western two-thirds of the state to pick up widespread storms for tomorrow. West is going to be the most active with isolated flooding possible out there. I'll explain why that is coming up. And then a second cold front comes in on Saturday into Sunday. That's going to continue to recharge us with moisture. The overall message here is a good chance at scattered showers each afternoon all the way through the weekend as well. And the reason we have flooding concerns here, and we saw it tonight in the Albuquerque area, and that's because we don't have a lot in the way of upper-level winds to move these storms. So when they form, the upper-level winds usually tend to move them across the state here. Well, in this particular case, we don't have a lot of that. So the storms just kind of meander around, don't move very far, and they end up dumping a lot of rain in one area that can very quickly fill up arroyos and small streams. So please be careful out there. Stay away from the arroyos. Don't need to mess with this stuff, and it is going to be an issue over the next couple of days with those scattered to numerous storms around. 70s and 80s across the northwest. Good chance of showers tomorrow. Across the northeast for tomorrow, good shot at rain over the mountains. Out toward Clayton, Tucumcari, not quite as much activity there. Scattered storms across the southwest. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s. And over to the southeast, temperatures topping out tomorrow for the most part in the mid-80s with scattered afternoon thunderstorms, and we're seeing them already tonight. 70 Cedar Crest, Sandia Park for tomorrow. Good chance at a few storms. Albuquerque will see storms in and out for tomorrow. 80 downtown and 77 in Santa Fe. Santa Fe 7-day outlook. Good shot at showers here all the way through the weekend each afternoon, and temperatures really starting to cool down. Just 72 by Sunday, and as we head into the Albuquerque area, you can see temperatures here cooling down to 75 for the first full day of the NFL season. The Dallas Cowboys go 1-0 after beating the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's exactly what we're getting. Cooler temperatures. Watch those afternoon storms, though.
Thank you, Mark. Well, did the isotopes reach the beach? Sports is next.